In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an inset circle in Blender with loop tools. Whether you're sprucing up a 3D model or working on something new, being able to efficiently create precise shapes can be a real time saver. So first things first, we'll want to ensure that loop tools is enabled in Blender. This is an add-on that extends the functionality of the software, making it easier to perform various edits. To check if it's enabled, go to the Edit menu and from there, navigate to Preferences. Once you're in Preferences, look for the Add-ons tab. Click on it to bring up a list of available add-ons. You'll probably find several options, but the quickest way to locate the one we're interested in is to use the search bar. Type in Loop Tools, and when it appears in the list, simply check the box to enable it. After that, don't forget to save your preferences so the changes apply permanently the next time you open Blender. Now that Loop Tools is ready to go, let's move on to editing your object. Make sure you're in Object mode first. This is the mode you need to be in. Select your object. Click on your object, and then press Tab on your keyboard to switch over to Edit mode. This is where all the magic happens. Once you're in Edit mode, we need to focus on selecting the correct parts of the object. Press the number 3 on the top number row of your keyboard. This will switch you into Face Selection mode, allowing you to choose the face or faces on your model where you'd like to create this inset circle. With your desired face selected, the next step is to inset it. Press the I key to activate the Inset tool. By dragging your mouse inwards while using this tool, you can create a new face within the boundaries of the one you initially selected. If you're dealing with multiple faces, pressing I twice lets you inset each face individually, giving you more control over the outcome. Once you have your new inset face, it's time to convert it into a circle. Keeping that face selected, right-click on your mouse. This will open up a context menu. Here, navigate to Loop Tools and then click on Circle. And just like that, your selected face transforms into a circular shape. After you've converted the face to a circle, you might find that some adjustments are needed to fine-tune it to your liking. You'll notice a small menu appearing in the bottom left corner of your screen. This menu provides options to adjust settings such as the number of vertices and the angle of the circle. Feel free to tweak these settings to get the perfect circular inset you're aiming for. And there you have it, a simple and efficient way to create an inset circle in Blender using loop tools.